welcome back to my channel. So I am leaving for vacation in about 6 hours. Finish chewing. And I have done zero packing. So I thought this would be a great time to do a little pack with me video. I am going to the cottage for 10 days. I've been waiting for this week and a half all year long. After Christmas, we start planning the July 1st week. And July 1st is Canada Day, and surrounding that whole weekend is like fun and family and activities. It's the best. So if you watched my haul yesterday, some of this stuff I'm going to be packing, actually all of it I'm going to be packing and bringing with me, plus some other stuff, so I thought I would do this little pack with me. Let's see how organized I am. We recently had a flood in the basement of our building where our storage lockers are, and we had to get rid of our big suitcase, so I only have this like travel size one, so I need to pack in that and another bag. So, and I tend to be an overpacker, like a big overpacker. I could already tell most of this stuff. I'm always like, I want to look cute and pretty and blah, 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 and take Instagram pictures, and then I end up wearing the same like 3 shirts and yoga pants the entire time. So let's hope that this doesn't happen. So, are you really pouring cereal right now? Okay. So typically when I pack, I usually make a list of outfits and things that I'm gonna wear on this day, but this time I did not do that. I'm really throwing caution to the wind. I have this Canada Day t-shirt for my for July 1st to wear at the parade. Then I'm bringing just this athletic shirt, American Eagle bodysuit, a red tank, and this really cute Gap kind of sweater shirt. Then for like athletic, so I'm bringing that, and then 3 workout tanks. For pants, I have my overalls, which I did return and get the medium because the large was too big. Then I'm also bringing this black jumpsuit, which is like my absolute favorite. Okay, this angle is not working. This is really cute for any, honestly, you can wear it casual or you can wear it dressed up, but I just think it's nice to have like one outfit that you can wear to a nice dinner. Then this top that I'm wearing, I love it. It's kind of like a dress. I'm just wearing it with leggings right now, but you totally don't have to wear it with leggings. But I got another color. It's from Forever 21 because it's so comfy and perfect for throwing on if you're going to the beach. That's really also what I was thinking. This romper, which I love. This, I think, is Andrew's favorite, which it was surprisingly at first my least favorite and has become my favorite. That is actually all of the shorts, one pieces, one pieces, dresses, and shirts. Now I'm literally bringing every single pair of leggings that I own because I literally live in leggings all the time. And I'm gonna bring these like boyfriend style jeans. Should I bring my good American jeans or no? Okay, so that is all really, oh, well, I think I can fit some more in here. Oh, I'm gonna bring a bunch of sports bras. And, of course, my bathing suits. If you haven't seen my video from my summer haul yesterday, you should go check it out. I have the most adorable bikini. Like, look how cute this is. I am so excited. This is adorable. Okay, so, oh, and actually my pajamas can fit in here. I have my pajamas. Lift this bad boy up and move on to bag number 2. Okay, so all of this stuff needs to be packed away. This is my favorite. Those clothes back there, don't mind them. They're actually going in a garment bag. But this is my favorite cosmetic bag, but I use it for my skincare because it is huge. And it fits this big bottle. Side note, I love these, they're called Steri-Pods, and they have this like disinfecting little pad in it, and it smells minty, and you just like put it over your toothbrush. Andrew and I keep that on our toothbrush at all times because I just feel like your toothbrush can pick up so much bacteria, and we put ours away, but I still like to know that it's safe and it smells fresh every time I go to use it. This I'm going to use to put my makeup brushes in because this little case, there's no way I'm only bringing 4 brushes. And I'm gonna empty this out, declutter it, and same with what's in this bin, and kind of take this with me, so. Okay, a little Laura-Lee tip. I love to buy these huge IKEA Ziploc bags. They're so inexpensive and they come in so many different sizes. And I think that they are great for packing shampoo and conditioner. And another IKEA hack, travel hack from IKEA, is I love these bags because they have zippers. So I'm actually going to kind of put everything in there. Sure, everything inside. We have makeup, hairbrush, shampoos and lotions, skincare. Oh gosh, straightener, can't forget that. And oh, I guess that's a loose item. Then we have, I got some natural repellent and this Banana Boat sunscreen, makeup brushes, and I can't forget my jewelry case. It's good to travel with and it keeps everything in place. I'm gonna take this headband. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. And the last thing is I'm just taking these 3 sweaters because, you know, nights by the fire. The last thing to pack up are flip-flops and shoes and things like that. I have a few pairs of just like whatever, if they get wrecked, they're just like for walking around the property or getting on the boat. But I just picked up these adorable like slides from Forever 21 and they're actually quite comfortable. I'm like, if I really like these, I'm gonna go buy another pair. And then I love these. I picked these up from a Canadian store called Brown's, and they're a shoe store, obviously. But they're like the Birkenstocks and they're so squishy, they're so comfy. And I think that these are adorable for all the outfits that I got, or just like, I don't know, I love them. So I'm gonna pack my shoes in the brown store bag because I just don't want them to get squished. I'll just throw in a pair of flip-flops and, oh, my running shoes, and that will be it. And then I will be all packed. So this is all my stuff. This is my clothes on top of the suitcase. I can't find my garment bag. Those gotta go back in there. My beach bag, my shoes, and I still have to bring my camera bag, which is this bad boy. So I have a lot of stuff. So I hope that you enjoyed this pack with me. I promise you the next time I do this, it's gonna be a lot more organized because I'm gonna be a lot more organized. Anyways, I hope that you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and I will see you again for another video. Bye.